How to remove frequently contacted from WhatsApp. So if you want to remove frequently contacted on your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is step 1 is resetting the algorithm. WhatsApp populates this list based on your recent interactions. The most effective way to remove a specific person is to delete your chat history with them. Long press of the chat and then you will find an option of delete, or just simply go with the three dots which will be in the top right and delete or clear the chat. After clearing your chat, the problem might be fixed. The next thing you need to do is go back, tap and hold onto your WhatsApp application for a few seconds and then go with the app info section. From the app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and here you need to go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you can go with your permissions and make sure that you reset or allowed all of the permissions. After allowing, you need to go back, and now you need to go with your Play Store. On the Play Store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for WhatsApp. After searching for your WhatsApp, if you have any updates on your WhatsApp, just simply go and update it, and after updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.